We all make mistakes. Yes naman, babe. Perfect ka ba? Oh, 'di ba? Siyempre, as small crafters and small business owners, pag merong rush or new product preference yung clients namin, minsan nga lang din. But we make the most out of our given time and resources na i-practice at gawan ng paraan para ma-troubleshoot ang kailangan ayusin. This booking was out of town at nabook one night before. Please do not be shocked if our prices may vary, especially if fresh booking po. Usually, if locally sourced yung items, need pa namin i-order if wala kaming stock noon or nagiging 2 times or 3 times po ng prices compared sa online shopping apps. Kaya wag na wag po kayo mag-compare sa online shopping apps sa prices nila at sa prices namin. However, pag early booking kayo, mas makakatipid yung seller if makakapagpa-ship pa ng mga cheaper materials. Not only that, meron pang added na labor cost sa amin kasi if meron kailangan na preparations beforehand, we will ask assistance and we have to pay. Kahit na relative pa namin yung tumutulong sa amin, kailangan we have to pay. Be, mahiya ka, 2024 na. Pero yes, totoo po yan. At saka kahit i-book namin sa rider yung mga kailangan bilhin, it may save us time and energy, but we still have to pay. Gets niyo ba? Basta ganun siya yung process. Kaya very thankful kami, especially sa client namin na ito, dahil well understood nila na ito lang yung kaya, at saka very patient naman sila na they let us redo. Ginawa ulit namin, yes po, yung nasira na setup. They gave us all the space and time na gawin ulit para naman presentable at perfect pa rin. Kasi kailangan perfect, di ba? Kasi lahat na tayo perfect. So, ganon. Thank you so much for that sa client namin na ito. Also, I learned na dapat pala i-glue na lang yung or gamitan ng heavy duty na Stanley or yung balloon pillars, especially if outdoor yung setup. Para masave na rin yung time at hindi na kailangan gawin ulit. Kaya yes, we do make mistakes and every time we do, we always take notes, we revise, and we do better in each booking that we make. Kaya yan, we're still thankful for everything. That's it for today. Follow us for more story time. See you!